Using Nano Banana and VEO3, I can appear anywhere, even as a judge in court. With VEO3, even space isn't out of reach. I can film from the stars.
With AI, I can step from my room straight into nature and film this Coca-Cola moment.
With Nano Banana and VEO3, I can change worlds and professions in just seconds.
The videos of me you just watched were not actually real. I didn't record them with a camera, and I wasn't physically there. What you just saw was a digital version of me, an AI avatar created using Google Banana and VEO3. It's my own photo and turned myself into a realistic AI character that can speak, move, and appear in different scenes instantly. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created those avatar videos, so you can make your own without needing a studio or camera setup. Let's get into it.
So the first thing is to go to your browser and type Google AI Studio. And you're going to scroll down and look for this particular one. So we're going to click, and here we are. Okay, so we are going to be creating images, and then you're going to click Google Nano Banana. Okay, so here we are. So I uploaded my image and I entered this prompt: a close-up portrait of a distinguished chief judge in a full judicial robe and all of that. Okay, so when I finished typing my prompt, I made sure I included this part of it. It's very important you include this part, okay, where it says keep the woman's facial features exactly the same, unchanged, sharp and clearly visible. It is very important so that at the end of the image generation, your face will be visible. Okay, so when all of this was done, and then I clicked on generate, and it gave me this image right here. I can see it gave me this image right here. You can see how beautiful this is. Okay, look at it. All right, so all you need to do is to go ahead and download the image. Okay, download your image. All right, now I'm going to go over to create the second image as well. So I uploaded this image again, and I entered my prompt. The scene begin in a modern resort style. Sweet sunlight pours through the wide glass doors. So, and I also entered that same particular prompt to retain the facial features, keep the woman's facial feature exactly the same and unchanged and all of that. So, and then I got this. You can see, I got this image. You can see that it's exactly my face as well. And download the image. You're going to download the image, and that is it. So here is my next prompt. Okay, I want to create a picture of an architect with my picture. So here is one thing you need to know. Always make sure that the picture you are going to upload should have the aspect ratio that you want to use, the exact aspect ratio you need. Because if you upload any aspect ratio of your choice, that is the same aspect ratio is going to generate for you. So since we are working with YouTube aspect ratio, make sure that your picture is in that aspect ratio format. Okay, so I created another image as a female architect, and another one as a female astronaut, and then a female soldier, and again a female pilot. Okay, so all of these images are ready, and then when you're done creating all of your images, you're just going to click on download. All right, so you're going to download when all your images are ready. The next thing you're going to do is to go to Google VEO3 and start creating. So from Google VEO3, you're going to click onto frames to video, because we are animating our own picture, and then okay, change your aspect ratio. If it's in portrait, change it back to landscape, and your output per prompt, the number of video you want it to generate. So I'm choosing one because I want to manage my AI credits. And then the model, what model do you want to use? If you are using VEO3 fast, you get to use 20 credits per generation. You can see it here. But if you want to use VEO3 quality, you get to spend 100 credits per video creation. But the thing is, VEO3 quality, you will need to spend more credits generating your video with VEO3 quality. So I'm going to go with VEO3 first. But for the record, VEO3 quality gives the best results. Okay, so when you are done choosing all of this, and then you're going to come here to upload your image. Okay, you upload your image here. Okay, so I've uploaded my image, so I'm going to click on the aspect ratio to choose landscape. All right, then when you're done, you click on crop and save. Okay, so my image is uploaded, and then I'm going to come here and type my prompt. So I've uploaded my image and typed in my prompt. I say, using Nano Banana and VEO3, I can appear anywhere, even as a judge in court. She has a Nigerian accent. Now, most of the time, VEO3 doesn't know Nigerian accent, okay? It categorizes all African accent as the same. So it might not really be able to get the exact Nigerian accent, all right? And then we're going to generate. So here we have our video. So I'm going to go ahead to upload the next image and enter the prompt and then upload. So here is my next picture and here is my prompt. So for the next, I've uploaded the architect image and I've written this. With AI tools, I design, visualize, and even star inside my own creative project. She has a Nigerian accent, and then we're going to generate. So you're going to do this for all of your images, okay? So while we are waiting for this, I'm going to upload the other images. So I've generated all the videos and I'm just going to play them one after the other for you all to see. Okay, so
From cockpit to camera, I control my flight and my story, powered entirely by AI.
wow.
From cockpit to...
Okay, I'm going to go this.
In any battle, digital or real, AI empowers me to command every scene with strength. With VEO3, even space isn't out of reach. I can film from the stars. With VEO3... With AI tools, I design, visualize, and even star inside my own creative projects. With using Nano Banana and VEO3, I can appear anywhere, even as a judge in court.
With AI, I can step from my room straight into nature and film this Coca-Cola moment. With AI...
So now this was what I did here. When I finished creating this scene, I needed this scene to transition into another scene. And then I came up with this transition right here.
With Nano Banana and VEO3, I can change worlds and professions in just seconds.
So you can see that transition scene. Okay, so for this particular scene, I wanted it to transition from one scene to the other, and I entered this particular prompt. And when that was done, this was the result.
Imagine creating a product demo, a tutorial, or even a movie scene at PERT and starring in it instantly.
So with all of that, you're just going to go ahead and download all your videos, and you come to original site and download it. Okay, and your video will be downloaded. So when you are done downloading all your videos, you're going to head on to any editing app of your choice, either CapCut or InShot, to edit your videos. There are some parts where you need to cut off, you cut them off and then merge all the videos together. And when that is done, now check out this result.
Imagine creating a product demo, a tutorial, or even a movie scene and starring in it instantly. In any battle, digital or real, AI empowers me to command every scene with strength. From cockpit to camera, I control my flight and my story, powered entirely by AI. With AI tools, I design, visualize, and even star inside my own creative projects. With VEO3, even space isn't out of reach. I can film from the stars. Using Nano Banana and VEO3, I can appear anywhere, even as a judge in court.
With AI, I can step from my room straight into nature and film this Coca-Cola moment.
With Nano Banana and VEO3, I can change worlds and professions in just seconds.
If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.